In this video, you will find Marcia praying for Nicolette. She also discussed the issues surrounding us in today's world.
How is everybody? Well, not everybody, but who is up here for me. So anyway, people, how is everybody doing? Yes, God is good all the time. Without him, we are nothing. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Yes, man, loving yourself always and make sure una the number one priority at all times and not an option. Remember to walk with Jesus Christ at all times because he's the King of Kings and he's the Lord of Lords. He's the Alpha and the Omega. No. The beginning and the end. Open it. The lily of the valley, the brighter body stars, the great I am. Remember to get a life insurance policy in Jesus Christ for a soul. So when I'm dead, I can get a resting place in the arms of Jesus Christ. I need some water. Yes, I need some water. Face pretty in the night here. Of course, I am a child of God. So my face is going to look very pretty because I'm a child of God. Fat and fluffy and looking pretty. Nice cheekbone and nice nose and everything. Yes.